Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Tuto Roy, and for today's episode, I'm going to share you another video of a hair and makeup makeover. My client today is Miss Eds, and we're about to start our hair and makeup session for her prenup photo shoot. But before that, I would like to invite each and everyone to please subscribe my YouTube channel Tuto Roy, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. And without further ado, here's the video.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Somebody pick me up. Somebody find my life. Somebody pick me up. Somebody pick me up. Somebody find my life. Somebody pick me up.
So there you have it guys, you have witnessed another video from my hair and makeup makeover session. So again, thank you so much, and to my client Miss Eds, thank you so much also for allowing me to cover a footage of this makeover session. And again, for those who did not subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Tuto Roy. It's TOTOROY. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. So once again, thank you so much and have a good day. Oh, it's good day. What a day. Keep safe always, and God bless. Bye.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece